how to access Activity Center on TikTok. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to not miss any updates. So, do you want to track your activity across TikTok app? Then you're in the right place. Let's dive right in. Open up your TikTok app and then head over to your profile in the bottom right corner. Now tap on the three lines in the top right, and then you can see Activity Center under Personal Tools. Just tap on it, and then from here you'll be able to see your watch history, comment history, search history, mention, and account history as well. So, this will help you track and manage your account. It's as simple as that. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks. Thank you for watching.